Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, so it really feels like the ground is shifting under our feet with online search, doesn't it?
It really does. Google's AI stuff, like the AI overviews and that AI mode, it's moving away from just giving you links.
Yeah, moving towards just giving you the answer right there.
Exactly. And if you're creating content, well, this isn't just a small tweak. It's pretty major. So today, our mission is really to pull out some, practical, actionable tips from what we've researched for creators like you listening.
Helping people figure out how to actually navigate this new AI-first world. Because you need to know how to adapt, right?
Basically, that's what we're digging into.
Okay, so this core shift. Google used to be like this giant library index, go here for this book.
Right, an information retriever. But now it's becoming more of an answer generator.
It gives you the summary itself.
Yeah, and those links, they're still there, but they're becoming more like jumping off points.
Yeah.
You only click if the AI answer isn't quite enough.
Which means your content has to be, really good. Good enough for the AI to cite and good enough to make someone click for more.
Exactly. It needs to be highly citable, offer real value beyond just the snippet.
So let's talk impact. Traffic, money. How does this actually shake things up for creators?
Significantly. There are studies out already. Ahrefs did one showing click-through rates for top organic spots dropping, like 34.5% for informational searches when AI overviews pop up.
Wow, that's a big chunk.
It is. And zero-click searches, where people get the answer on Google and never click away. Projections are hitting maybe 70% by mid-2025.
70%.
Yeah, so that obviously puts pressure on ad revenue, potential RPM drops of, say, 30 to 50%. And there's a risk the whole content ecosystem gets more consolidated, fewer big players.
Okay, sounds a bit scary. So what can creators actually do? Let's get into the tips. Step 1.
Right. Tip 1, optimize for AI extraction. You need to make your stuff AI consumable and AI citable.
How do you do that practically?
Well, it means going deep. Unique analysis, original research, stuff AI can't just easily rehash. Accuracy, quality, relevance. Those are table stakes now. Good sourcing, maybe multimedia.
Yeah.
And think about long-tail niche keywords, the kind of specific questions people actually ask. Structure your content with clear answers up front, like in FAQ sections.
So answer the question directly.
Yes. Match the search intent clearly. Present balanced views, use neutral language where needed, make it super clear, easy to skim with good headings. Use structured data schema markup like article, FAQ, how-to.
Yeah.
That helps AI understand what it's looking at.
Technical stuff too, like
Yeah.
server rendering.
Yep, make sure it renders properly.
Yeah.
And think about multimedia, voice search, and fundamentally build that EEAT.
Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness.
Exactly. Through good backlinks, internal links, credible mentions, solid citations.
Yeah.
It all builds trust for users and for AI.
That's a lot to chew on for optimizing.
Yeah.
What's tip number 2?
Tip 2 is kind of the flip side. Create AI-resistant content. Content with that human touch AI struggles with. Original thinking, unique experiences, personal stories, nuanced perspectives, things that aren't just facts and figures.
Lean into the human element. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Tip 3, diversify beyond Google. Relying only on Google search traffic is looking, well, increasingly risky.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So where else?
Think email lists, huge for direct connection. Social media, obviously. Podcasts, video content, even things like push notifications. Maybe paid traffic, PR, partnerships, building a real community.
It's not just about that search ranking anymore.
Oh, it's solely no.
Yeah.
Which leads to tip 4, cultivate a direct audience. Shift focus from just getting eyeballs to your site to building loyalty with the people who are there. Nurture them.
The return of owned media.
Exactly. Your email list, your own website, maybe even your own app, that gives you stability and control.
Okay, one more tip.
Yep. Tip 5, embrace content repurposing. Take your core content, your best ideas, and adapt them.
Like a blog post becomes a video.
Or a podcast episode, or social media snippets, or an infographic. Maximize the reach of each core piece of content. Build out your whole brand world.
Okay, so wrapping up, it feels like the era of just, easy clicks from search might be winding down.
It definitely demands a more proactive approach. You have to adapt.
And the strategy seems to have 2 main pillars.
That's right. First, optimize your content so AI can see it and use it. Second, diversify away from just Google and really build and nurture that direct relationship with your own audience.
So the final thought for you listening.
Yeah.
It's not just about getting found anymore. It's about building something lasting. How can you create your own brand world offers something unique, something valuable that goes beyond just information AI can pull.
Yeah, what's that unique value you bring? That's a key question to wrestle with starting today.